Hey, walker on the top, running through the guap.
She love when I go low. I'm making her sing like a solo. Ooh, baby, yeah. Got you going crazy, yeah. You looking summertime fine, yeah, you did that. All these looking niggas watching, but I'm in that. Ooh, baby, yeah. Do not try to play me, yeah. We wasting time, let's go. You with your friends, but you. See your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I do have a hair review for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig, laid her down, and got her to look this good on my head. I want to see how I install this unit and hear a bit more about this hair, and definitely keep on watching. you guys, so I kind of like turned the ISO up on my camera just so you guys can like see the hair, because I am wearing a top that kind of like contrasts the hair. So just turn it up a bit so you guys can like see the full potential of this hair. And honestly, I'm so amazed. Like, I don't have a lot to say about the hair itself. So far, this hair is just beautiful. It's so full and nice. First, I'm just gonna read you guys some details on this hair. So this is their curly lace front unit. So I did get this hair to 26 inch, which is their longest length in the curly unit itself. And the hair is pretty long, you guys. Before even receiving the hair, I honestly thought it would have been a little shorter than this, just because for some strange reason, like, curly hair on me, they always look short. Like, no matter how long I get them, like, my units always look short. So I wanted to try like their longest length, which they did send me their longest length, and I was honestly surprised at how long this hair is. So standing, the hair does come down to like my waistline, so it comes all the way down to my waistline. The only thing that I did kind of notice is that the ends on this hair is a little thin. So honestly, you guys, I might have to go in and cut a little bit of these ends off, like to right here, just because it's kind of thin and I don't like that. I did notice like the ends of the hair were a little thin, like not like the entire end, but like an inch or two when it gets to like the actual end of the hair. You guys get what I'm saying? Like inch or two, probably like an inch. Like, it's really thin down here, so I would have to go in and cut some of those ends off. It's the ends being thin. Like, I don't have any complaints on this hair. Like, the hair is really full and nice. I'm not even too sure what density this hair is, but the hair is really thick and nice. Like, the curls on this hair, you guys, are so beautiful. I'm definitely loving this wig. I don't think I've ever had like a curly unit of this texture this long, so I'm definitely loving this. This is one of my units that I know for a fact like I'm gonna keep this unit because it's really different compared to all my other units, and I just love the way that this one look. I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm sorry whoever wants to buy this one, I'm keeping her until I'm tired of her. Other than that, there's no tangling on this hair. There's very minimal shedding. I did get like a few strands come out while running my fingers through it. Obviously, the curls on this hair are really tight, so it is expected to get some shedding, if not like very little to none. But for right now, I'm not getting any shedding like that. Like, literally, I got like, so that's how much hair came out while I was running my fingers through it and wetting the hair. So while I was styling this hair, the only pieces that I actually did go in with I have some water and conditioner in this bottle and wet was these pieces up here, because I was plaiting the hair. So because I was plaiting the hair, it did get kind of like puffy and big. So it's curly hair. Once you're constantly plaiting the hair, it's gonna get big, it's gonna get puffy, and it's just gonna like, it's your natural hair. My natural hair does this, so if you're plaiting it, it's definitely gonna get like frizzed out. So I did have to go back in and wet some of the curl just so the curl can actually like form back, and it took its curl right back. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. Those were the areas that I did wet. The pieces in the back here, that's the hair in its natural state. So these pieces right here, I didn't have to go in and wet, but the pieces on the top, like I said, these were the pieces that I did wet, and you can definitely tell like the curls came right back. So if you do go ahead and co-wash this hair, you know that your curls are gonna come right back. So that's one thing that I really like, is that the curls did come right back. Besides all that, you guys, like, the unit was so easy to install and style. I did give myself a center part. I did add some baby hairs on this unit. The unit does not come with too many baby hairs, so you would have to go in and create your own. The frontal also was really easy to lay down. I do love how flat it is on the top there, so I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups after if you can't see from back here. But yeah, I just love how flat that it looks right now. Actually, I'm just gonna come closer from right now. So I just love how really flat it is up here. So this is honestly like the perfect wig, especially if you're going on vacation and you don't want to have to be putting hot tools in your hair. I know I say this a lot, but this wig right here, I'm definitely taking this on vacation with me. I'm going to the Bahamas in 2 weeks, and I am taking her with me. Like, this wig is the bomb.com. So I definitely love this wig. If you are interested in this unit, I will have all the details down below on where you guys can purchase her. Thank you guys again for tuning back in with another video with me. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel in this unit, and as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.